guys, happy Sunday. Hopefully I can put to bed anybody's reservations about whether or not I know how to do a field Pittsburgh with a sheet metal brake. I had a guy make a comment, I think it was this morning or last night. He said, I made a short about all you need to make a Pittsburgh is you don't need a Pittsburgh machine. I can save you thousands of dollars. All you need is a simple sheet metal brake and a rubber mallet. And I've also shown you in the past where you can do it with bar fold too. So if you want to, there's no reason, absolutely, I'm putting this to bed right now. There's absolutely no reason on this great earth why you need to use an S-lock, a duct joint, or screws or anything to screw your duct together. Very simple to make a field Pittsburgh with basic hand tools, or even a brake. Even if you have one of those cheap little Malco brakes, that cost like $200. My Harbor Freight brake cost me about 259, I think, when I got it. It was 199 for the brake, and it was like $60 for the stand that comes with it. So it's $260. I think they're like 300 and some change now. But shoot, man, buy that once. This brake will last you forever. I mean, it literally is a lifetime tool. So buy it once, save you thousands of bucks. You can make a proper Pittsburgh. But absolutely no reason to use S-lock for any sheet metal joints. It looks like crap. The guy's got tape all over it. It just looks like garbage. So I'm gonna put this to bed once and for all. But the guy made a comment that I made a short about showing him my brake and my rubber mallet, and he goes, "Let's see you pull it off." And I'm like, "You pull it off? You go watch some of my videos, dude. I have numerous showing me how to showing you that I make Pittsburgh seams with my brake." So putting this to bed for once and for all. Last time I'm gonna harp on it, but I got a little more in depth on how to make this for you, up close video. So hopefully you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.
Yes! 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 Yes!
All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to determine the depth of your lip here. So mine just happens to be 1/2 inch, okay? And that's going to determine how much we scribe our metal to make our Pittsburgh. I haven't really showed you guys this part yet. That's 1/2 inch. So that determines that we want to make our scribe 1.5 inches. It'll make us a perfect Pittsburgh. Let me show you. All right, I got my scribe set at an 1.5 inch depth, so it'll scribe 1.5 inches from the end. So then I'm going to do is I'm just going to scribe it 1.5 inches all the way across. Just like that. We can take it over to the brake. Show you the next step. So we got our piece of metal scribed at 1.5 inches. The light hit it just right. You can see it right there. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to open up our brake. Okay, open up we're going to slide it in there at the 1.5 inch mark on the scribe. Just like that. Okay, next step, taking our thumping stick here, and we're just going to hammer her down flat. Just like so. And you'll have your 1/2 inch here, and you'll have your 1 inch down here. Let me show you this a little closer. Hammer down on the brake. That's why you got to measure what this is first, okay? Let's move on to the next step. Clamp down. Pull our brake up, like so. Just like that. Everything's looking good. And now we're going to take our thumping stick, our rubber mallet, and we're going to hammer this part all the way till it's flat, flat as you can get it. Okay. Okay, the next step, what we're going to do is we're going to open up our brake high as we can, and we're going to slide our creased portion underneath our brake, and then we're going to bring our brake down, and we're going to smash that. Hopefully I'm not blocking with my arm. You're just going to smash that down, just like so. Give it a couple more little turns. Smash it down. And I'll show you what we got. What you have just like so. So you're going to take your other side of your fitting, a ½ inch instead of a quarter. You know, conventional Pittsburgh machine is 1 inch. With my brake, it's 1.5 inches and a half. So your ½ inch would go inside of there. Once you get your other side of your fitting on and hammer that over, and you got a professional looking Pittsburgh with just your brake. Okay.